Hey everyone, welcome to your weekly tarot card pull. This is the Knight of Pentacles, which I think makes a lot of sense with the full moon eclipse that is coming up in Taurus on Saturday. So leaning into this spaciousness of the Knights are on a divine journey. It is a calling, it is a path, it is a journey, it is something that they are meant to be doing and working through and walking through. And so right now we might feel like we're being called to do something. Knights learn as they move. They learn in motion. Excuse me. And so this is the idea of setting up one step at a time. And with the card being the Knight of Pentacles, the Pentacles is indicative of this earthly kind of thing. It's also indicative of earth magic and working with the earth. It's indicative of our values. It's indicative of money, wealth, property. There's a whole smorgasbord of things that could be there with those pentacles. And in general, what it means is right now we're meant to be taking slow steps forward into our body. We're meant to be taking slow steps forward on this path of learning how to have right relationship with the earth and right relationship with our value, and know that that is a divine journey to have right relationship with the things that we value, and that we're meant to be taking it nice and steady, one step at a time. Hope this helps for this week.